Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhwani Gupta and I study in class 7th D of Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya number 2. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved in a colonial rule. For every Indian, those days it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Hence, every Independence Day, we do not only celebrate our freedom, we also pay a tribute to those who fought for it and to those who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. The significance of its beautiful story is that this nation has gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. We can proudly say that India has never invaded any country in its 10,000 years of history. On this occasion, our thoughts turn to the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded of the relentless struggle of our great patriots who liberated our motherland from colonial rule. Democracy gives us the right to live freely as proud citizens of a country. Today, we are fortunate to live in one due to the vision and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns with the national anthem, and flowers are also showered via helicopter. All the forces can take part in parades. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence, and of all the things, it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Jai Hind.